jamii mara mashinani andake umurubiri wigabwe serikali jamii kiye gikorigererwa
ekiombe gyokorwa jamii mara mashinani ekiombe kere composed of directors neki chairman cheki parastato mbalimbali in the country ekiombe ke egasietane no etana around the country kurigereri buna amagenderero aye president ngo ikirara abantu nande mono twamanya challenges abantu baito babugate twamanyira kwanda twachire asenga ntwarenge Isioro ntwarenge Nanyuki ntwarenge Nyandarua nande ntogenderete kogenda ntwarenge Nyamira gaiga twaostetie omwana no itowe chia lady okoroku PS ya public health okoroku Madam Mary Mudoni, a very hard working lady. We have been able, we have a plan yogotalira abantu bonse to manye challenges babwate and to explain agenda like sha to explain to any kind of abantu baracheste for sha because abantu there's a lot of negative publicity kwanyoranga ambaye kore chester sufficiently, so we are encouraging our people out in large numbers sha so that they are able to get services from the government.
Okay.
And the Ginjira Jones Kipara, the water director, Korvadena, the Kipara, National Ways Authority, Kura, every sector, water and Mbaro, so that when the president taken away and one out there on what has been done and the challenges which are there. We go to a hall and encourage people to ask us questions. And we have been able to answer.
No, nyevono no ready kuburi wa maswali.
Ambao ready kuburi wa maswali. Lakini achera gaiga kuburi wa maswali so that we are able to explain and to answer to Kenyans.
Mbona sana director ekira tukwanira jamii mashinani andake project gusomurobiri buno yo serikali ibwate kwenekianga abantu nkumanya guse abantu gusanga bale birengereri byabo gati ya challenges chiri bagwetira gochia serikali andake no kwanerenga omukinore andake nonye nae kwabekire kweneki buna abantu bamanyirenga serikali ne bwato muroberi ole bunaiga nigo gokorekana asinchirenga buno yani abantu batwara ubumanyi. Yes.
Again kiaganda kana tawo kwa jamii mara mashinani. Actually we pass around kotabia abantu bumanyi. Kotabia abantu baito inki serikali yako inki batungi chinyomba igoro ya housing. People have been able to ask us questions. We go into a hall and ask people to ask us. We explain. PS for all to explain about challenges SHA if they are there it has. And tuamanya in the process na bako nyarabanto ega serikali yako tagina there's some also enemies and negative publicity they affect very good cause. Yes.